how to make $1,000 plus from video editing. In this video, you can expect a full step-by-step plan on how to make your first $1,000 online completely for free. So yeah, if you don't know me, I'm Shaylan Lawrence. Here is my Twitter and here is my Instagram. Feel free to drop me a DM if you have any questions. So yeah, I've been a video editor for a little over a year now, essentially starting on mobile, and I edited on CapCut. Then 3 months ago, I made the switch to DaVinci Resolve, and then 3 days ago, I made the switch from DaVinci Resolve to Adobe. So here's the edit I made.
There are three main lessons I wish I knew before working with clients. Generally speaking, there are three kinds of clients you will need to unlock before hitting the $10,000 per month mark. Unlocking these clients will give you access. And here's where it gets good. They will teach you everything there is to handling clients. Thing is, your dream client is already out there. He has less knowledge and less experience than you, but you were one of them once.
If you want to work with me, feel free to drop me a DM. I recently joined a course that was the cause of me ever making my first dollars online. And when I say recently, I mean 2 weeks ago. This course is Video Production Plus. I recently joined, and no, I'm not telling you this because I'm making any money from this. I'm not making anything from this, nor am I a partner. I'm just a member who got results and wants the same for you. So yeah, I'll leave the link to the website in the description. So here's what to expect: to-do list on what you should do to achieve $1,000 monthly and the resources needed to fulfill the to-do list. Before I give you the free step-by-step plan, please feel free to like and subscribe. Here is the full step-by-step plan. It will be in the description.